Hey crafty sis, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to show you step by step how to create this amazing money box. What I love the most is the fact that these are super easy to make and they're pretty fun too. They're also cost effective because all of the materials can be found at Dollar Tree. Without further ado, here we go. The first thing you're going to need is a box. Now the box can be whatever size you choose. This is the one I went with. You're also going to need a bowl for the top, an X-Acto knife, some embellishments. These are what I went with to decorate the box. Those are optional. You're also going to need a roll of some type and of course the money. The first thing you see me doing here is getting rid of the bow at the top because that's not needed. It's just a little extra. This box happens to come with one, so I'm just ripping it off. Next, you want to go in and measure the center of your box so that you can do your cuts with your X-Acto knife. When you make your cut, you just want it to be big enough to fit the money. It doesn't have to go all the way through the top of the box. Just do it in the center as much as you can. You're going to cut a line on both sides to be able to make a full rectangle. So now I'm just checking to make sure that my rectangle is long enough to fit the money perfectly, and sure enough it is. So I'm just going to cut off the excess. And you should end up with something like this. Again, just making sure that the money comes out perfectly because you want it to be big enough so that the money doesn't get stuck. Now this step is optional. For this particular box, I'm making it 3D, so I printed out the different images. You can either hand cut or use a cutting machine like a Cricut, and then I have some mountain tape to put in between to give it that 3D effect. This shimmery cardstock also gives it a nice effect. I'm going to have all of the details of where to get the materials linked below. Okay, so this is how it's looking, super cute. And these embellishments are gonna go on the outside of the box. I have this one and then also this one as well. Super cute, super adorable. You can do as many layers as you want. Now it's time for the fun part with taping the money together. I also added some extra embellishments just to make it a little bit longer and to make it more fun while pulling. As you're taping together, you want to make sure that you aligned it perfectly so that when it goes to roll, it looks really good and of course clean and everything like that. The paper part with the arrow is also optional, but I wanted to give it a little bit more length, so I added it in between every few bills to just give it cute with a little cute message as well. This is what I ended up with, and now it's time to add it to the roll. This part is also super easy. You're going to tape the end of the last bill down this way and then slowly just roll it all up, and you're just going to keep rolling until you get to the end of the last bill. By the end of it, you should end up with something like this, and you're ready to put it into your box. Now this step is very important. When you're putting it in your box, make sure that it's faced in the right direction so that when you go to pull out all of the notes, the arrows are facing downward in the right way. Now I have already embellished my box, as you can see, and I'm pulling the bill straight out so that I can tape it onto the ribbon that goes on the top. On the back of the ribbon, I added a little piece of paper just so that it could be able to have something to attach to, and this is how you're just going to tape it right down onto it. And just like that, your box is done. I'm just gonna put it down and do a little test just to see if it's pulling up good. And sure enough it is, so I'm just gonna pat it right back down so that the birthday girl can do her pull. This is the final result of how the box looked decorated. Stay to the end to see the reaction because her reaction was super cute. She was so happy to see the money coming out, baby. She was super excited.
This is how you open your box. You pull this. Pull it up. Pull it up. Keep pulling. Wow! Oh! Keep pulling. My God! Wait! She gotta stand up. She gotta stand up. Wait! Keep pulling. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Then keep pulling. Oh! Look, this one says. Wow. This one says, thank you for your love. Keep pulling. Oh. Keep pulling. Whoa, whoa. Fell a little bit. Whoa, 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 whoa. Jesus. Oh, thank you, Lord. Thank you, my son.
Keep
Thank
pulling.
you.
This one says, thank you for being my mommy.
Oh, my God. Oh my God, oh my God. Chubby, you see me? Hi. You see me? What this one says, thank you for your love. Keep pulling. Oh my God. Oh my God. My baby son. Oh
Thank you for being you. Keep
oh
pulling.
my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
This one says, I hope this makes you happy.
Oh yeah, I'm happy, my son. Oh, you know, mommy loves money. You know.
This one says, thank you for being my mom.
Oh my God.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful. There's many more on the way. Be sure to also follow Campus Bling and CB Party Favors on social media. And thank you for watching.